Now he's saying everything is a lie. He's tweeting and composing good English that he doesn't even compose for his song when the song is out. There's something going on, bro. That's why I needed to join the live so you can see the state of mind he's in. My God, trust me, guys. Please stop trolling him, guys. Stop making him worse, bro. You understand? It's you guys that's trolling him as well that's making everything worse. Don't troll him. It's not like, you know what I mean? It's my boy. I don't like doing this. That's why the first time, even after he was going to do live here before, to say yes, something was wrong with him, he was stressed. I don't want him to do the video. I don't want him to do the video, but I'm very, angry that I have to do this. But I'm just saying this because I don't want you guys to be trolling him, bro. It's sad, bro. You know what I mean, bro? It's not, you use your common sense now. Stop trolling him. Stop making it like two sides are fighting. Use your head now. Tell him to come live. I can explain. We can see if he's fine and if he's actually in danger. You know, this shit will make you think everybody's after your life. Do you know what I mean? And that's why I was saving him yesterday, because I know he's not in the right state of mind. That's why all the thing he's doing to everybody is not in the right state of mind. But you guys are. That's why would he buy to the argument already that he does not want his manager anymore is because he's not in the right state of mind. That's what I'm trying to explain, bro. You guys are not understand. No, but he's not in the right state of mind. I think he's saying now. So he saw that I was on live, but he did not want to join the live. I'm not gonna. His life is not in danger now. His dad is there. So last time, someone was hospital. Someone clear hospital last time. Someone was on hospital. It's not that, but the thing is, the people around him now. I wish I can be around him. I can easily help, bro. But the people around him now, yeah, I don't think they should be letting him see messages that people are sending him, because, you understand, all those messages getting to him, he start running up and down, bro. Me, I would not beat him. I didn't put my hand on him at all, bro, ever. I've never put my hand on him, ever. He will not say I beat him, you understand? It's just the fact that he says Malian's house, and when he says that, it involves me, do you understand? But I will never beat him, bro. But he was doing too much anyway, do you understand? On Charlie, my work, my girl, my jacob for money blow. So you come out, how many people more first stop? Do you understand? But since the IDLA situation, you guys can see now, it's not rocket science. We're trying to help him here, bro. Guys, please help. Stop trolling him, bro. why is his life in danger? His life is not in danger. He has his phone, he can go live. Mobad, if your life is in danger, go to the nearest police station. Please, that's where you're safe. Go to the nearest police station. Okay, please, guys. This is so sad, though, man. I swear down. It's sad, bro. But obviously, you guys just need to stop trolling him. I'm so sad, man. My boy. He's still drinking, bro. He's still drinking. If he comes on live or wherever he is, he's taking on now. I want to go one more.